So this is a story about a young woman who is navigating a set of really difficult circumstances. In our case, she lives in a favela in Brazil in the 1970s among a community of people who are sort of functioning at the edge of the economy. They're smuggling. In our production in particular, they're smuggling firearms. And she works in a cigarette factory by day and gets herself into a lot of trouble. She has a very hot temper and gets into a fight with another woman, cuts this woman's face, goes to jail, and finds her way out of jail by seducing the officer, Don Jose, who's in charge with keeping her there. So then we follow their love affair as it really goes badly. She gets tired of him quite quickly, and he is not able to take no for an answer. So when she moves on, when she meets another man, Escamillo, the bullfighter, things go really badly. I don't want to give it away.